All right, so today I wanted to share this really nice sit-stand desk. So first of all, a really nice top. You can see how it's like got that laminated feel. It's really nice and pretty thick, so it's not gonna move around. It's got the two legs, so it's solid. Not a lot of wobble to it, but a little bit of wobble, but that's with nothing on it. It does have the spot for putting cords through to keep it nice and tidy, and also a nice little rack for headphones. So it's really good quality, and the lifting mechanism is great because you just can lift it up. And it has different presets as well, so you can go from like set your presets at like low down or up or certain heights that you prefer. Other than that, I mean, it's a great desk, and like I'm very happy with it. I love it. It's great. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.